know, Mike. I know. Mike, I need to take a bath in there, not you. You can bathe yourself elsewhere. Mike, what are you doing? Oh, come here. Wow, what a stretching kit. When you get crazy. My sweeter Mike, do. I do so my sweeter Mike, do.
Miss the feeling of knowing you did a good job.
Hi, Mike.
Proof of it. Sir, you're awesome. Here's a plaque. What? A whole year has
Mike, will you come out of there?
Here's a certificate. They saw making the plaque say here.
What if I give a really long, extended thank you, for instance? Thank you, Mr. Blank. Thank you very, very.
That would look terrible. These are mostly salesmen, and salesmen expect.
Mike, come on. Hungry? Want dinner? God. Wow! Oh, honey! Okay, be nice now. Oh, God. Mikey. Shh. Mikey. Mike. Shh. Mikey. Oh my God, there's something back there. Mikey, what is it? Oh my God. Oh my God, it's a mouse. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. There's a mouse in the house. Oh my God, there's a mouse in the house. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my literal God. What do I do? Oh my God. What do I do? It ran to like my dirty clothes pile.
Whatever the hell that
It's in between the vanity and the bathtub. I want to come in here with you. We'll close the door though.
Where's he at, stupid?
Oh, Mike was scared.
Oh, he's behind that.
You see it?
Yeah, he's right here.
Mike, you bad cat.
Yeah, I can't think of what they're called.
Yeah, you sad kitty. Oh my God.
It's a kangaroo.
Yeah, it just jumped around. It wouldn't run. It just jumped.
Yeah, it'll probably motherfucker will probably jump over my box right now.
Oh, God.
He's cute, actually. Come and look at him.
Oh, my God. I'm scared.
He's super cute.
Yeah.
See how big his head is?
Mm-hmm. Those live in my backyard, you're telling me.
No, they're from the desert. But they come out of those holes, you know what I mean? It gets dark and
Oh, he
they
looks
come out of
poor.
like the gopher holes and
I don't think Mikey hurt him at all. He was just playing.
yeah.
You're a bad cat. Yeah, you're bad. Are you getting it?
I'm working on it. There it goes.
Mikey, shut up. Can you like take him with you far away so Mikey doesn't get him again?
Alright, fucker, you're gonna play hard to get, aren't you? Just go in the goddamn box, alright? I don't think this is gonna go all that well, to be totally honest with you.
Oh God. Wow. Don't open it. You bad kitty. You want a pet?
He's just like grooming himself. He's like, whatever, dude.
Yeah, Mikey doesn't do anything. He just brings them to play. Where the hell did Mikey go? Oh, I think he's under here.
There's a hole in my battery.
Mikey. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, they're like little kangaroos because they're
Ouch. Oh God. Look at this bad little kitty. What the heck are you doing, Mikey? It's the daytime. You're the bad kitty. My goodness. It looks lizardy.
I haven't seen a lizard in a long time.
Dan. Dan, what do you have? Oh, it's a bird. It's a bird. It's a bird. Okay. He started growling at me. Dan. Dan. Dan, can you be done? Dan. Dan. Dan, go away. Dan. Auntie, what do you want me to put over it? I think it's already dead, but he's near it, and I'm nervous. Oh God! Ow! Oh God, honey! Oh God, she got me, honey. Oh, honey, honey, God. Okay, okay. Hi, Zane. What a sweet little kitty. Mama. They're so cute. Don't bite me. Don't bite. Okay. Just love. Mike, don't bite. Oh. Mike, quit biting me. Oh my god. Ah! Oh my god, he's a huge dude. He's big. Go in the bathroom. Go in the bathroom. Go in the bathroom.
Oh, he's so cute.
Go in the bathroom. Go in the bathroom. Go in the bathroom. Oh my fucking god, he's big. What happened? Is he in there?
Oh my god, what's happening?
Is he in there?
Yes, he's in. Shut the door.
Oh my god, 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 oh my god. I need something.
I need something.
Hurry!
Oh, he wasn't cute enough.
Oh my god. God, I need more.
Cute. Dude, I threw your shoe and he fucking
Oh my
he
god.
launched.
Oh god. Get it, Mikey. Get it, Mikey. Kill it. Kill it, Mikey. Shit. Mikey, get it. Get it and take it outside. Get it and take it outside. Take the mouse outside. Mikey, can you get the mouse and take it outside? Quickly. Mikey. Mike. Oh my god. Get the mouse and take it outside. Get it, Mikey. Oh my god. He's stomping his foot. Maybe he's calling for help. Maybe that's like a call in the wild.
Wait, I should look it up.
Oh. He's a ding 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 ding. Oh. Maybe he's seizing. Maybe he's so scared he's he's moving. Mikey, it's okay.